A sexless marriage can be a difficult and sensitive topic to navigate. It's important to remember that every relationship is unique and that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to this problem. However, there are some steps that you can take to address a lack of intimacy in your marriage. First and foremost, it's important to communicate openly and honestly with your partner about your feelings and concerns. This may be difficult, but it's necessary in order to understand each other's perspectives and find a solution that works for both of you. It's also important to remember that a lack of intimacy in a marriage can be caused by a variety of factors, such as stress, health issues, or changes in physical or emotional connection. It's important to understand the root cause of the problem before trying to find a solution. One solution to consider is couples therapy. A trained therapist can help you and your partner understand each other's needs, communicate effectively, and work through any emotional or psychological barriers that may be preventing intimacy. Another solution is to make time for each other. Life can be busy and hectic, and it's easy for couples to get caught up in the day-to-day routine. Making time for date nights, vacations, or even just a few minutes of alone time each day can help rekindle the spark and remind you why you fell in love in the first place. It's also important to remember that intimacy doesn't always have to be sexual. Physical touch, such as holding hands, cuddling, or even just a hug, can be a powerful way to connect emotionally and physically. In conclusion, a sexless marriage can be a difficult and sensitive topic to navigate, but there are steps that you can take to address a lack of intimacy in your marriage. Communication, couples therapy, and making time for each other are all effective solutions. Remember to be patient and understanding with your partner, and don't be afraid to seek help if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.